Well done, guys. I have an amazing personality you see on your Twitter streets, and his name is...
Hello guys, I'm Tage.
So if you've ever used Raenest or got interested in their event, it suggests something. You make money online.
Yeah, sure. So that's kind of what I use Raenest for. To like, get a dollar card or a dollar account. Yeah.
Some people are looking forward to becoming someone as big as yourself on Twitter. Some people are looking forward to making as much as you do right now, or looking as fresh as you do right now. What advice do you have for us?
Okay, so I'm a tech journalist first of all, which is like one of the reasons why I'm here for events. So I've written about Raenest in the past, talking about like this growth story and whatnot. So as a tech journalist, what I do is tell the stories of founders of the continent, and companies and startups. So Raenest being one of them. And I've been doing this for about 6 years. So I think the first thing, is consistency, right? People are like how to get like quick money, but also you have to put in the work and be consistent over time, get better at what you're doing, and put yourself out there, right? Very important. So I think my advice would be consistency in your your work, and don't be shy about telling people what you do or being out there, right? Because that's how people will see you and get to pay you for stuff, right? So closed mouths don't get fed. So that's what I would say.
Yeah, so what's the biggest challenge you ever encountered in your journey? This journey it sounds very beautiful, you sharing it right now or the other time months.
Yeah.
So what's the biggest challenge you've encountered?
The biggest challenge would be just when I say, you get like, at some point you get burnt out or you get discouraged by multiple things. Like, if for instance you've been doing it for years and you don't see anything like going your way, you'll be tempted to stop, right? But I think like there's a way, like being patient with your work, right, and hoping that you're going to pay off. And I think like you should also not be scared to do some things when things are not working. Also, working from Nigeria like remotely, there used to be lots of opportunities to do that, but now it's like drying up. So put in the work, and hopefully like the work they're putting in whatever craft they're doing will make them get those opportunities, which are like few and hard to come by, because those opportunities are still, yes, they reduce the number, but like people that are getting them are people who are like investing in their craft. So also it's like also boils down to consistency, right, to get over like that challenge.
Consistency. I think I love that, and then you are taking us through the journey so fast. So I'm going to be asking, what's the most ridiculous thing you've seen someone do in your industry?
I think it's shamelessness. It's ridiculous, but it's also effective. It works both ways. Like you have to be shameless about what you're doing, even though people are selling courses and maybe they don't really know what they are doing, right? But because of that audacity and shamelessness, like some of them make it, right? And it's like fake it till you make it, right? That kind of thing. Some people don't ever like make it in terms of like knowing the stuff. But some people like in my industry, which is the tech industry, some people like claim they know what they're doing, right, and get a lot of money for that, up to the point where they actually know what they're doing, and then they become like legit-ish, right? So I'm not saying it's a thin line between fraud and right, but it's not like don't do people of their money, right? But like if for instance you're just starting out, nothing is stopping you from actually saying, oh, this and I don't sell courses from it, right? As long as like a passive value. The problem will be like when maybe you're now scamming people of their money and you're not providing what you said you provide. If what you're providing is subpar, that's different. But that line between like shamelessness and audacity, right?
Amazing. You remind me of a word called fulfillment. So like advertising something is good. If you decide to come up with an idea, good. A course, good. But you must be able to fulfill the promise you made. So thank you very much. It's been a nice time.